Hello Dreamcatchers! So, panibagong collaboration ito. Ito ay collab namin ni Luis the Blogger. And ito yung aming everyday makeup routine. So, if you want to know how I got this look, then keep on watching. So, ito yung Mesha Organics Rice Bran Balm. Gagamitin ko siyang face primer. So, yung susunod na gagamitin ko ay Nature Essentials High Definition Firming Foundation. Ang next naman na gagamitin ko ay ang Super Beauty Tint Concealing Stick. Meron siyang chamomile and aloe vera extract. Ang next naman na gagamitin natin ay Leblanc's Mineral Makeup Foundation para iset ang ating makeup. Ang next naman na gagamitin ko ay ang Shiseido Eyebrow Liner Duo Kit. Gagamitin ko yung Coffee. Tapos gagamitin ko naman tong Fashion 21 Eyebrow Gel in Light Brown. Pagkatapos ay i-contour ko naman ang aking ilong gamit itong Sansan Eyeshadow in Deep Earth Brown. Gagamitin ko naman tong LA Girl Gel Liner in Berry Black. Ang susunod naman na gagamitin ko ay Crave Veggie Lash Mascara para sa aking mga lashes. Ang susunod naman ay gagamitin ko tong Fashionista palette. Ang next na gagamitin ko ay ang Shawil Terracotta Blusher. Ang susunod naman, gagamitin ko itong Human Nature. Pagkatapos naman, gagamitin ko itong Wet n Wild Megalith Lipstick in Mocha Licious. So that's the end of my video. Don't forget to check out Louise the Blogger to check out her everyday makeup routine, and also don't forget to subscribe sa aming mga channel and thumbs up if you like this video, and don't forget to share this on your social networking sites, and please don't forget to like my Facebook page Dreamcatcher, and also follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat. All is Karen Liz Escobar. So that's it. Bye bye guys.